Getting open is actually just the start of your business. A lot of times when you're a new business owner or you're aspiring juice bar business owner, all you can think about is starting. And that's important. Okay. I don't want to diminish the importance of thinking about starting your business and the strategies that it takes to actually launch your company. But the reason that I want to make this video and point this thing out specifically is that when people lack the awareness of the stages of development of their business, they believe that all they have to do is just start and then everything's going to fall into place. Okay, yeah, getting started is really complicated. How do I do that? But once I'm started and once I've got my business going, people are just going to buy from me and then everything's just going to be smooth sailing. And that is a lack of maturity, it's a lack of experience, it's a lack of understanding. That is analogous to believing that raising a child is just having a child. Okay, all I have to do is get somebody pregnant, and then once they're pregnant, then we'll have the baby, and then we're done. Of course, it doesn't make any sense. That's not what it means to raise a child. And it's just the same thing too when it comes to actually having a successful business. Getting started is just the first step. It's just the first stage. And what I see is that a lot of times people can get their business started and they're really focused on putting their energy towards, having companies like us come on board, help them start their business. And then when it comes to actually running their business and growing their business, they drop the ball. And then they're in a place where they're looking around and going like, oh, what do I do? Because they hadn't thought about the fact that actually growing a business and running a business is probably more complicated than just starting the business. Because when you start the business, you've got a lot of time. You don't have as much financial pressure. When you're operating the business, you've got rent that you're going to pay monthly. You've got employees you've got to pay monthly. You've got inventory you have to manage. There's things that are much more demanding and dynamic when it comes to actually operating the company. So it's important for you to gain this perspective to have equal or even more reverence and importance and focus on the fact that you want to operate and grow your business well. Seek mentorship, get help, okay? Reach out to me, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. We can help you wherever you're at in your process, whether you've got your business running and you're struggling or whether you are thinking about just getting started. But I want to give you this perspective because these are a lot of hard lessons that people learn when they invest tons of money, tons of time, tons of emotion into getting their business started. And then they're running the business and they don't realize, oh my God, there's more to this. There's more that I need to know in order to be successful. It's not just a matter of getting open. I have to understand how marketing works, how to manage people, how to manage inventory, how to do a lot of things. And I don't mean to say any of this to scare you or to overwhelm you. I say this to give you a mature perspective that you can be successful. You can do it, but you have to be smart about it. You have to really think about that. So it's starting to rain here. We're going to end the video here before we all get wet. My laptop gets wet and all of that, and the cameras get wet. But sending you guys my love. This is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. I'll see you guys very soon. Take care.
Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you're inspired to learn even more about how to start your juice business from scratch, for you, we have a free ebook. It's called the 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Business. And this is going to go through a high-level overview, through a step-by-step process on how you get your business off the ground. Everything from branding, menu development, finding the right location, and more. This is going to be a clear roadmap so you know how to go from where you are all the way to opening your store. If you want to go even deeper, we've also created an online course. It's called the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great depth on everything from how do you put together and think about recipe development? How do you cost out your menu and what's the math around it? What equipment do you need? How do you design your store? How do you find the right location? And so much more. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of both of these. There's links in the description below. So I hope to see you guys at the next video and enjoy.